Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome again. My name is Amar Ligato, and in today's episode we're gonna see how to connect the Canon 5D Mark IV to the Wi-Fi, whether you want to connect it to your phone or to the home network Wi-Fi. So in both cases we will show you how to do it. Before starting this, you'll need to download one app, whether it's an iOS or an Android phone. You need to download the app which is called Canon Camera Connect from the App Store. Then after that we're gonna see what we're gonna do on the camera. So let's go and turn on the camera. So this is the starting screen of the camera. I'll press menu, and as you know that the 5D Mark IV has a touch screen, so you can navigate with your finger, or if you want you can navigate using these. So we will have to go to the branch, then we're gonna go to the fourth menu here. As you can see, there's HDMI, frame rate, GPS settings, then communication settings. We're gonna click this one. You can click it here or you can click this set. Then we're going to select the built-in wireless settings. Then we're going to go to the Wi-Fi NFC, which is disabled. We're going to enable it. Now it's enabled, so you can go to the function and select what you want to do. You can also send images to your smartphone. As you can see, there's no images. I'll just go and click one image just to show. Then we're going to go again to the same menu. I'll go to Wi-Fi function also because I want to set it up. So it will tell you, do you want to connect it to your smartphone, to your remote control computer, for example a PC or laptop, by using iOs utility, and you can also connect it to a Wi-Fi printer, or you can do it like a FTP server. It's kind of complicated, but it's also nice. And you can also upload it to web services, which I will show you later how to add the web services like Facebook or any other like photo sharing software or website. So now if I click on connect to a smartphone, okay, there is easy connection and there is another one which is advanced. So let's go and see the easy one. I click OK. So it's showing connect to the Wi-Fi signal or network, which is called like this, and the code is this one. So I will go and download the app on my phone, then we're gonna see what we're gonna do. So now I have downloaded the app on my phone, which is here. This is the app which is called Canon Camera Connect. I'll go and open it, and it's showing that nothing is found. He cannot find a signal or anything, so we have to go to the Wi-Fi settings. So then you'll find the iOS 5D Mark IV. Then we're gonna click on it. It will ask you for the password, so we will have to put the password which the camera gave us here. So then we're gonna click join. Okay, now it's connected and it's showing that MAC address which is connected to is this one, and it's now connected on the IP address also. So now again we'll go back to the same app, and it's found the camera here. Then I'll go and click on it. Then it's showing that connect to this smartphone, iPhone, so you're gonna click OK. Now it's connected. As you can see, it's showing here it's connected to iOS 5D Mark IV, and this is the network name, and it's connected through Wi-Fi. So you can do two things: either remote live view shooting, which you can shoot through the mobile phone and you will control the camera, or you want to transfer the images to your phone, or you want to update the location information, or you want to change the camera settings. Let's go and click this one. So as you can see now, it opened the two pictures that we clicked, which I clicked without a lens, which is a black picture because there is no lens, and these are the pictures that we got, and I can download it from this button. I'll just press this, it will be downloaded. Now it's downloaded. So this is how you can download the pictures. So maybe you want to like shoot remotely, so we're gonna click here. Okay, so now it's black because you cannot see, because there is no lens attached to the Canon. But this is the controls that you can change. You can change everything: white balance, metering mode, the frame rate, the focus mode, autofocus mode, sorry, and everything you can change. For example, if I want to click a picture, I'll just try now. As you can see, the response is very fast compared to the old Canon 70D or 80D. It's much way faster. There's no lag, there's no delay. Simple, and the same moment you click, you'll get the picture immediately. So this is how you connect your phone to the camera. And let's see the next tutorial how we're gonna connect the camera to the other softwares like the iOS utility, and how we're gonna connected to the home network, and let's see.